Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2020 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E2504P. 13,000 miles on this Cherokee. Comes to us with a clean auto check Historybr report, diamond black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. And select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.